Hello everyone, once again welcome all of you in Maths Online class. Students, in this video, we will be discuss about the last topic of the exponent, and that is a scientific notation. And in this topic, we will be discuss about the definition of scientific notation and how to write the scientific notation and why we need the scientific notation. So students, let's start now.
So now firstly we'll be discuss about the previous homework. And you know what was the previous homework? Previous homework was solve the exercise 2b, question number 9 and 11. So question number first, this is a 9. So students, let's start now by what number should 5 upon 4 minus raised to power minus 2 be divided so that the quotient 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 3. This type questions I explained in my previous video. So students, this is a very easy, just here means divide. What is saying? The divide. What number should 5 upon 4 raised to minus 2 be divided so that the quotient 1 upon 2 minus raised to power minus 3. So we know that divide means, so you don't know number, so let the number means which one number, required number, be x. Then 5 upon 4 raised to power minus 2 according to the question, x divided by this number, then divide by x is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 3. So look here student, what is the here power? Power is a minus 2 and we can write the this number in this form. So we can write the 4 upon 5 raised to power 2. Then this is a division and you know very well how we can solve the division of fraction. Multiply by 1 upon x. Why? Because we write the reciprocal of second fraction is equal to 2 upon 1. How? Because this number is also given in a which form? Negative form. So we can write the 2 upon 1 raised to power 3. Then 4 upon 5 raised to power 2, and this x, when we shift this x left to right, then this is a multiplication, this is division, then convert in a multiplication, means 1 upon x means fraction means also division. Listen carefully, fraction means division. So x is equal to 4 upon 5 raised to power 2 divided by 2 upon 1 y. Now when we shift the 2 upon 1 from right to left, then what? Division. This is multiplication with the multiply, then multiply convert in a division, and 4 upon 5 raised to power 2 divide by 2 upon 1 raised to power 3. Then open the power, open the bracket with the power. What is the power? 4 upon 2. 2 means 4 upon 5 multiply by 2 times, then we get what? 16 upon 25 divide by, then 2 power upon 2 upon 1 raised to power 3 means 2 multiply by 3 times, and that is a 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, then 4 twos are 8, and 1 power raised to power 3 means 1. Answer will be 1. Then x is equal to 16 upon 25 multiply by 1 upon 8. So why 1 upon 8? Because this is a division and we write the reciprocal of the second fraction. 8 upon 1. So what is the reciprocal of 8 upon 1? 1 upon 8. 16 upon 25 multiply 1 upon 8. So 8 and 16 cancel each other. Then 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. So what is left here? Here is left 2 upon 25, and this is the answer. Means this is the required number which is divided by 5 upon 4 raised to power minus 2. And then second means 11 was simplify. 2 raised to power minus 1 divided by 5 raised to power minus 2 bracket whole power 2 multiply by minus 5 upon 8 raised to power minus 2. So look here, 2 raised to power minus 1 we can write in this form, 1 upon 2. You know rule of negative exponent, and divide by 1 upon 5 raised to power 2 multiply by minus 8 upon 5. Why? This is the power negative, so we can write in opposite or reciprocal of the given fraction, minus 8 upon 5 raised to power 2, then 1 upon 2 multiply by 5 upon 1 by the division rule, then minus 8 upon 5. raised to power 2. Then 5 upon 2 raised to power 2, 1 cancel, multiply by minus 8 upon 5 raised to power 2, open the power according then 5 5s are 25, 2 2s are 4, 25 upon 4 multiply by plus. Why? Because this is a power even power, and what is the negative? So negative will be converted into plus, because minus minus plus. Then 8 power 2 means 8 multiplied by 2 times, then 64, 8 8 is 64 upon 25, 25 and 25 is cancelled, 4 1s are and 4 16s are means 16, 4s are 64, then answer will be plus 16. So student, this was all about for the previous homework. Now today's topic is, you know what is the today's topic? Today's topic is a scientific notation. In the scientific notation, we write the number in different types. In this type, which type? Number we write decimal form and in exponent of 10, 10 exponent power 10. So how we can write the number in this form? Why and why we need the scientific notation? Why we need the scientific notation? Because our scientists regularly deal with the very large or very small number. So this notation means scientific notation lets them record and communicate these number easily. So how? See, definition of the scientific notation. Scientific notation definition what? A method for expressing very large or very small number. Very large means like as our earth weight, that is a very large number in billion trillion. So how we can write? This is a very difficult for us, we cannot easily write on the copy. So for this type number na, and a small number which one is given 0.0000000000005. So how this is a difficult for our scientists, and so they discover, they invent this type notation. Like a scientific notation means a method for expressing very large or very small, listen carefully, very large and very small number as the product of decimal less than 10 and multiplied by a power of 10. These are example of scientific notation. Means when we write the number in this form, the number is called as scientific notation. So this is the definition, and you can write the definition. So this is a very important. Again listen, a method for expressing very large or very small numbers as the product of decimal less than 10 are and multiplied by a power of 10. Now look here, this is a method how we can write the number in a scientific notation. We can write the number in this form. Means C is donated, means C is donated a number. Which number? Any number from 1 to 10, but not included 10. 10 means 1 to 9 means 1 2 3 means C we can write the like a 7 7 0 0 0 0 0. So how we can? Only 7, not included 10. This is the C, this is the C, and all the number after this number write as a power of 10, write as a power of 10. So this is always base of 10, and in this 10, what is the n? The must be an integer, means n will be integer, n will be integer. And how we can write the number? So we can write the number. So let's this is example. See the example. Write what is the 4 2 5, then how many 0? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 in scientific notation. This is very biggest number. So how we can write this type number, creating the problem. So this type for this type number, scientists invent the scientific notation. And for scientific notation, we can use the scientific notation and we can write the easily this type number in small form. So what is here? Here is 4, then 2 5, and how many zeros? 6 0 of 7 0, 2 4 6 and 7 0. So look, after number we can use the decimal. Here is the decimal. Move the decimal so that only one digit is to the left to the decimal. Means we can write here decimal, and in this form, you know how we can write in this form. C multiply by 10 power n, means C will be, you can C is the real number, C will be real number, and real number only 1 to 9, not a 10. We cannot include the 10, 1 to 9. For the real number here is that we can include the 1 to 9, means before the decimal will be only one number. If there is a more number except 0, more number like is 4 2 1 3 5, so we can write the C as only one number. So before decimal will be there only one number, like as here. So suppose the decimal is here, and we will move the decimal one step each time. And then how many steps they move the decimal here? 9 places from here to here. यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितने डेसिमल प्लेस मूव किया? 9 प्लेस. सो 9 will be power 10. 9 will be power 10, power of 10. Why? Because and 4 point, how we can write the 4.25, all the zero of this number after decimal, all the zero of this number we can using account for the digit 1 after decimal. How many digit here is a 9 place or 9 digit? 1 2 and 7 0, 2 5 and then 7 0. So what is here? Here is the 9 digit after decimal. So we can write the number in this form, and this form is known. Write the number without ending the 0 and multiply by the correct power of 10. Write the number without ending the 0 and multiply by the correct power of 10. So we can write easily in this form of the any large number. So here is the two rule. So how we can write any number in scientific notation, and how we can write any scientific notation in a standard form. Here is a rule, and first rule to write a number in scientific notation. How? Look here. Here is the numbers given. It's a very big number. How many 0? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 6 0 and 3 digit are, means total is a 9. So put the decimal after the digit. Which digit? Put the decimal after the digit. This digit means C. C like as a 1 here. C like put the decimal after the C. C will be here what? 1. Then add the multiply 10 to the number, and add the multiply 10 to the number 1.23. Write the 1.23 only and then multiply by 10, and here we write the exponent. And power, what will be power? Power will be after the decimal digit. Count the after decimal. How many digit here is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many is here is a 8. Step 3, to find the exponent, count the number of place from the decimal to the end of the number. So how many number here is a after to the end of number? 8 number. So 8 will be power of 10. Then we can write the 1.23 multiplied by 10 power 8, and this is scientific notation. Now how we can write the any scientific notation in standard form? Here is the two rule. When move the current decimal point to the number of place based on the exponent as follows. If the decimal move where? If the decimal move right side, then exponent will be positive. Exponent will be positive, and when the decimal move left side, then exponent will be negative. Means example here, look here, 3.6 multiplied by 10 power 5. 3.6 means 3.6 and 10 power minus 5 means 5 multiplied by 10 multiplied by how many times? 5 times. Means here is a 40 and one digit is a 6. Then 3.6. So after 10, so this is the standard form. Now look here, here the 10 power minus 7, and how we can write the in this form? Means we move to if the negative sign, we move to decimal where? Left side 7 times. 4 3 then 5. Now next one is a like this again. Once another example here is a an example is 1.5 10 power minus 4, because the exponent is positive 4, so move the decimal point 4 places to the right. Listen, अगर किसी भी साइंटिफिक नोटेशन में 10 की पावर पॉजिटिव है तो वो मूव किधर करेगा डेसिमल, राइट साइड. इफ एनी number have a negative side, then decimal move to left side, like this example 1.5 10 power 4. What is the power here? The positive, so move to decimal where the right side, and in 0 to fill the empty gaps. Then here, because the exponent is negative 4, so move the decimal zero point 0.4 place to left side, where left side add in 0 to empty gaps. Now here is a, if the gap is here, so that gap we fill by the 0. Now next is a, and we can another this type question we can write in another method, and this is a very easy method. Look here, 0.000003. So firstly we convert in a fraction form, and you know very well how we can write any decimal into the fraction form. So what is here? Number 3. And after decimal, before the decimal, how many digit here is it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit. Then we can write the 3 upon and 1, and then 6 0 after the 1. So this denominator we can write the 10 power 6. Why? Because how many digit here is a 6 digit, 6 0. So we can write 10 power 6, and as a follow rule of negative exponent, then we can write the 3 multiplied by 10 power minus 6. Why? When we write in which form? Reciprocal form, then we get the 10 upon 10 power minus 6. And this is moved to left side, where left side, then power will be positive. If the decimal move to right side, then power will be negative. So this was all about the scientific notation. I hope you understood. So I have attached your homework in description of this video. So students, thank you and take care.